Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to find a duplicate and drop the duplicate by using Python for data analysis purpose. Okay. So guys, this will be helps to you in order to find out the duplicates on the data set as well as drop the duplicates also. And one more thing guys, please watch my Python for data series for analysis. It will help to you to understand more. And I would like to request you try to, don't just to type the code. It will help to you, make the syntax right well. So please type the code. Why? Because, if you want to get an hands-on experience, right, it is better way to type the code. And please try to understand the each line of the code. Then you will get a clear-cut picture on Python. Compared to other languages, like Python is very easy, guys. We have many of libraries which can be used for the different scenarios. Now let's go our topic. So I'm just importing the Panda has a PD and data equal to customer ID 100, 101, 100, 102, 101. I have mentioned this data set. Name is Alice, Bob, Alice, Charlie, Bob. So now I'm creating one variable. I'm calling the PD Panda data frame method and passing the variable here. So inside this data frame method, I'm passing the variable. Then I'm printing the some message original data frame and print df. I'm printing the data frame. Whatever data frame it is whatever data set is going to convert into data frame, and this variable I'm going to print. So I'm getting 0 customer ID name. So this is the data set. Now if you observe here closely, we have Alice. Okay, if you observe closely, we have Alice and here also Alice, Bob is there, right? So I want to find out the duplicates here, okay, in this data set. So by writing the below code, I'm going to create one variable. I'm calling the data frame, which I have, which is stored everything, then dot duplicate method. So this will help to you find a duplicate and it will return a Boolean value. Okay, false, false, true, false. So now if you observe here closely, for this data set, we are getting a Boolean value. For two for true means there is a duplicate is there. And one more thing, if you observe, for fourth one also we have the duplicate. Now, this is the data type Boolean. Now I want to drop out. So I'm going to create one more variable and this will be stored df.drop duplicate method. df.drop underscore duplicate method will help to you in order to remove the duplicate. Now I'm printing the some message data frame without duplicate, keeping first. So guys, actually drop duplicate keeping the first occurrence default method I'm using. Now if you observe here, customer ID name 100, 101, observe. So we have dropped the duplicate from the data set. I hope you like this video. Please guys subscribe my channel and encourage me to upload more videos which helps to you for data engineering purpose as well as analytic purpose. Thank you.